and I known most of the very good monks in my life too. I have worked very closely with them too. So the core belief of Buddhists, it's very peaceful. I love it. And those who really study about real Buddhists, we don't have much problem, or we don't have much against each other, or in terms of belief. And on the other hand, for the minority, before then, if we say let's say the military have come up to our Chin Hill and they destroy our crosses, our churches, they say that's it, because they can't feel the tense or the brutalness we have faced. So in that time, we just need to we explain them. For them, it's like they just read the newspaper, because they never feel about that. So in this February coup, we work hand in hand together.